All right, next we're going to perform superhero pose. So once again, entering into the yogi gym, setting is upper thigh, handles are 1 knot below where the sling is attached on the ropes. So coming into a suspended inversion, remember to position your handles. And reach behind, and with an overhand grip, bring your hands into the handles, and the straps are behind your upper arms. Now, this is very important that we break this down. So to come up, maintain a diamond position with your legs while you come into a push-up, lifting your chest, and then release your legs behind you. That's your classic flying superhero. From here, there are a lot of variations you can play with. Fully extended superhero, you can do some abdominal crunches, pike presses. There's a lot of fun here as you fly around. You can throw in some push-ups. If you bring your feet into diamond, then the push-ups will be more challenging. So to exit superhero, your legs come back into your diamond wrap. Ease yourself down slowly. Maintain a diamond wrap. And then when you're ready, reach up for the fabric and draw yourself up. Now to exit, you can either hop out or you can do a reverse dismount. Nicely done.